And then what we're going to do is we're going to select it, and we're going to run a minimization. So let's just start the minimization. And so we see, yeah, that really isn't a flat structure. Yeah, that is a, it's like, it's got that armchair type of thing. Like, you imagine we were, I guess you'll have to imagine in VR. So imagine, you're kind of like sitting in this thing, and you got your armrests over here.
So this is already, that example is actually, sort of a helpful learning mnemonic, and this is something that would never come across the way these things are traditionally diagrammed in a classroom, right? It's much easier for me to understand that sort of three-dimensionality in VR.
Yeah, and so, we also have to remember that there's all the hydrogens. I don't show hydrogens all the time, but if we show the hydrogens, then we actually get to see, maybe why it forms this structure a bit. But now if we add in the double bonds.
Right.
So just remember, it's going to be a single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, because carbon can only have 4 bonds.
Right.
So now when we do this, if we want to show the hydrogens, each one only has 1 hydrogen.
Right.
It's still not in the correct state, but I'm just going to put them right next to each other and show you the difference here. So when we run the minimization, it's flat, right? Yeah, that's a pancake. Yes. So this one is a benzene ring, and this one is just a 6-member carbon ring.
Right.
So the 6-member carbon and the benzene, these are fundamentally different structures.